All right, so easiest thing to do here is to just divide this whole numerator by x, okay? So let's turn this into the integral from 1 to e of, so x squared divided by x is just x divided by x is just 1, and then you have 1 over x. So I'm going to write that as, well, I'll just write it as 1 over x. All right, I could write it as x to the minus 1, but I'm not. All right, so then we can just use the reverse power rule for most of these, right? So we're going to get x squared over 2 plus x. Of course, the reverse power rule doesn't work here, right? If you tried to, you could try to do the reverse power rule, but you're going to have a divide by 0 thing, right? Because you got x to the minus 1 plus 1 is x to the 0, but then you divide it by that 0, and it's, yeah, so then you realize, oh, that's right, it's natural log. So integral of 1 over x is the natural log of x, natural of the absolute value of x. And I'm going to evaluate that from e to 1. All right, so we're going to take the upper limit. We're going to get e squared over 2 plus e plus the natural log of e, right? I don't need absolute value anymore because e is positive. And then I'm going to subtract the antiderivative evaluated at the lower limit, so I get 1/2 plus 1 plus the natural log of 1. All right, so now we just need to simplify that. And so it's e squared over 2 plus e, natural log of e is 1, right? And then we have minus 1/2 minus 1, right? Because we're subtracting everything in the parentheses. And then minus natural log of 1 is 0. Okay, so I have a plus 1 and I have a minus 1. Those can go away. And I get e squared over 2 plus e, and then just minus 1/2. And that would be my final answer. If I want the exact answers, right? So this is my final answer right there.